Jokno pinapatanggal, and program appropriations 200 billion pesos.
We ask that the honorable sponsor consider the following amendment: that all pertinent line items under unprogrammed appropriations with a total amount of 243,222,549,000 pesos be revised to zero.
Ayan ang sigaw ng iilan sa mahigit 200 billion pesos ang program funds na inaproba ng House of Representatives sa third and final reading ng Kamara, despite mistrust ng tao sa mga budget na di sure kung saan gagamitin or even saan manggagaling ang pera. Pero bago ang lahat, ano nga ba ang na-program funds at kailangan ba siyang i-debug? Ang mga program funds ay yung mga parte ng budget bill na mare-release lang kung ang kita ng gobyerno sa tax o kaya naman bigay ng ibang bansa to fund whatever to our heart's desire ay sumobra sa inaasahan natin. May ekstrang kita sa hindi natin alam kung saan magagaling.
I cannot, in good conscience, vote for a budget that has failed to exorcise the phantoms of corruption. The glaring presence of the unprogrammed appropriations is an odious legacy that this Congress has yet to remove. This budget process was our opportunity to answer the persistent calls from the people to expunge the vestiges of corruption. But sadly, we still missed the call of the times.
Now, as you can see with the graph, lumobo ang unprogrammed appropriations na inaprobahan ng either Kongreso o ng Pangulo during BBM's term na hindi hamak na mas malaki pa kaysa sa mga proposals ng NEP.
I firmly believe, Madam Speaker, it's time to stop having unprogrammed appropriations in the national budget. Hindi lang dapat ito i-zero, kundi dapat ay no, wala na dapat unprogrammed funds sa General Appropriations Bill. Unang rason, unprogrammed appropriations have no definite source of financing. Walang tiyak na pagkukunan ng koleksyon ng buwis o utang para dito. Kung wala palang pera ay bakit magbabalak na gumasta? Section 22, Article 7 of our Constitution is clear that the basis of the General Appropriations Bill is the budget of expenditures and sources of financing.
Ang National Expenditures Program, yung Administrasyong Marcos din ang nagpropose. Tapos hindi siya papayag dun sa pinapose, dadagdagan niya